Hello everyone, myself Aravind Thiagarajan. I'm a digital forensics examiner from FD Labs. Today we are going to see about Google Dorking and its multiple usages where we can use Google Dorking. Google Dorking is a technique. Uh, it can also be referred as a Google hacking. It is mostly used by ethical hackers or cybersecurity analysts and researchers for finding sensitive information on websites. Uh, this darkening involves advanced search operations like input specific keywords or specific file types like PDF, Excels, Word documents, uh, PowerPoint PPTs. Or we can also input the website parameters, and it is one of the most powerful tool which reveals information easily. Uh, okay, let me. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible and I am audible to everyone? Hello. Okay. First of all, this Google Dorking is used to reveal hidden information in Google search engine. Okay. Now we will see one of the type of operator. First we will see int title. Now what is this int title? Int title when this is a Google search engine, we will search something. Now this is the int title. In each search results it will represent ethical hacking. So this is one of the int title operators which will give results accordingly. These int-table operator will give results for web pages with specific words or phrases in the title tag. Now we will move to the next operator, in URL operator. Now what is this in URL operator? Now you can see one URL is there. This is in URL. And then here some text are there. No? These text are referred as in text. Now we will see the in URL. Here in URL, wherever forensics there, we will get results. Forensics. Here also. These keywords in URL itself, whichever keywords is available in a specified search result will appear there. These in-URL operator searches for web pages or phrases in the URL. and then in text. This in-text operator searches for pages which contain specific words or phrases within the body of the pages. For example, in in-text we go for cybersecurity. In text, it will represent the word cybersecurity. Wherever cybersecurity is there, it will represent. Yes, yes. Likewise, the use of Google Dorks is a phenomenal thing. It will be very usually helpful for the students as well as cybersecurity analysts and ethical hackers. Like this, we will get the filtered content whatever we are required. Now, now we will go to file text. Mm, let's see document. Okay, in the topic of cybersecurity, we will see the documents. Now it will give all the documents like here document is there. Um, this is a document. PDF document is there. In the name we have given cybersecurity, right? The topic is cybersecurity. So in the name of cybersecurity, we will receive the documents type. Like this, PPT. Okay, let's search information security. Here the topic came for information security, PPT. We see it on PPT. Like this, Google Drive will help us to download the file type itself. These all are PPT, very PPT. The whichever topic we are giving, we will be receiving on that name. Here on thing is downloaded. PPT is downloaded. Like this, we will be able to download the file type wise. Okay, and then the next file type is PDF. Here we will be able to directly download the PDF file on the topic information security. This is also a PPT. Like this, lecturers on PDF files. Like this, we can download. And then finally, now we will see the normal search result with the normal search Google search engine. We won't get this segregated file types and all. We won't be able to find some specific topic related keywords or whatever. With this proper usage of Google Dorking, we will be able to uh, download file types or else using this operators, no, in title operator, will help us to find the specific title wise files or any topic. Uh, and then in URL is there. In now URL operator will particular for an example, if you search something on Google, uh, very top first two pages will be won't give much content whichever we require. But with this proper usage of Google Docs, we will get whatever we require, whatever available on Google. We have to use that properly. And then with the text operator, so many sites are so many web pages are there. So in all the web pages, under any body lines will be there. No? In that proper usage of the text operator will reveal wherever that for an example, if particular word uh, I have to learn about something called celebrity tool. Like that means UFED. If I give in-text operator and then that particular keyword celebrate or UFED, then it will give all the results on the available on the Google web pages. It will give the results accordingly. So we have to use accordingly. And then we will see one more thing. It will also help us to Google Doc will help us to learn more about information gathering. Uh, how it will help us as a ethical hackers. For an example, it will help us to identify the usernames or index of the web page or the information about the particular web page. Let's see practically. Okay. Now this index of indexing is there, no? With this index of we'll be able to get the list of username available on the particular web page. We will be able to download that Excel or view also. These four are the usernames. Like this, we'll be able to go into the directory of that particular web page. So with the normal usage of Google search, we won't be able to go into the with this usage of Google Dark, we'll be able to get more information. Okay, let me go to the next topic. Um, this is our official website. For example, if I need to gather some specific keyword search on this particular website, right? If we require like that, site colon that particular website and then data. So wherever data is there on that particular website, it will be your data is there. It will be in bold, right? Okay. This is our official website. In this, we have started that EC Council courses. If anybody wants to join or learn more about EC Council course like certified ethical hacking and then computer hacking, CHFA, forensic computer hacking, forensic investigator. These two courses we are providing. And training also is available. If anybody wants to join, please visit this website. I will be uh, typing this website in the comment section. For more contents like this, we have started our YouTube channel. It will be available in the comment section. Please check out. Thank you for joining.